girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
To you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying detonate you. No disrespecting, baby, just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up, that's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up, little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed, I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her, she deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard, she deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that, I got that work. I heard that she been on strike, care to tell, I read your mind. She been on them dollars first, caramel, macchiato. When shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or ignorant with perks. I'm just trying to work that, they just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind, I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light, they just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love, maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside, I can tell you like persistence, but I make me tries. I just think we need one night, can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right, can't decide but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? Or the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups. I just think I need one night, slightly more if it's done right. With that gorgeous face, I don't know your name, it ain't important, baby, cause I'm a whole nine.
Fantasy,
Bro.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady?
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? In my head, sending action. These days, no Kumaye. Niggas be blasting. Living in the middle. This shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty mixed up? But this life shit ain't no bad. Bloody, bloody murder. There ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna live, how you wanna spit, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I get peace. You just do what you wanna live, how you wanna spit, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I get
insecurities, what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house, for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around, for what? Always felt like sticking around, so same experience, love. And like guns with the ink in, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah. Play me, low down, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even manage to keep straight faces and all the pictures that I've seen lately. Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You shared stories when you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, let's look at jaded. Most of these things.
Stuff you mentioned, trying to get you wet like a Baptist,
host, I'm the Tastemaker, and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for Megalook hair, and today I'm reviewing this cute pink highlight lace front unit, you guys, and it's definitely giving, you know, black Barbie kind of vibes. So today I was like very matchy with this look, and I decided to do a pink and black eyeliner look, and I also wore like this pink and black jumpsuit just to go with my pink and black hair. Now on camera at times, because of the lighting, it may come off as like a purple tone, or it may look like it's all mixed in together, but this is a true pink highlighted unit. When you have it in a middle part, you can really see the highlights a little bit better. So I did style the hair in the middle part earlier, and then I showed you guys what the hair looks like in a flip over. And depending on which side you flip your hair over to, you're gonna have either more pink or more black. So just keep that in mind with this unit. But nonetheless, this is the finished look. Right now I just have all of the hair going off to the side. I just really love the color job on this unit. I thought it was so unique, and it's just completely different from anything that I've ever tried from a lot of different companies. So I was really impressed with their work, and I definitely had to give this one a try myself. And this is a 13x4 straight lace front unit. I do have it in 24 inches, which is pretty standard for me. That's typically the inch that I choose to go with. And then off camera, I did put like a slight bump at the ends of the hair, just so it's not like, you know, just straight and like boring. So this is what it looks like, and I really like, you know, my little swoop here today. I also like the parting space in this unit. It looks very natural. It's definitely giving scalp. Like right now, it's definitely giving scalp, and it just looks really good. I also really enjoyed the lace on this unit. This is definitely one of those units where you don't have to add baby hairs if that's not something that you're interested in. You can definitely go with a baby hair free look with this one, and it'll still look very natural. But as you guys see here, like down here, I don't have any baby hairs, and then the same for the rest of the perimeter of this unit. So there aren't any baby hairs anywhere else in the unit. And as far as customizing goes, I know a lot of you guys are probably gonna wonder, did I bleach the knots in this unit? Did I pluck the hairline? And yes to both of those questions. I definitely bleached the knots on this unit, and I also plucked the hairline as well. I really enjoyed like the lace, and even just like how I plucked it. It just looks so good. And like I said, bleaching the knots for this unit though, you guys, I do want to warn you, because this unit was like already dyed to be like this pink color. When you bleach the knots in this unit, you might be freaked out a little bit because it's gonna look different from what you expect. Like typically you would expect like more of like a yellow type of look, like once you rinse the bleach off. But with this one, it was actually pink. Like it was pink, and I was like, oh my god, are my roots gonna be pink? Oh my god, is my scalp gonna be pink? But no, I didn't have any issues whatsoever. As you guys saw, you know, it still looks very natural. And then I also tinted the lace for this unit. I did use the Ebon Lace Tint Spray in the color dark brown. That also helps, like, you know, melt the lace and everything. And I feel like I should have did like a swoop bang or something with this part here. But this is what it looks like though, you guys. And like, I just like on camera, I just don't like that it's like coming off like a purple when it's really like a true pink, like a hot pink. And I think it's just because of the lighting and everything. But yeah, if I come up close, you guys can definitely see the color a lot better. It's not purple, I promise you guys. It's definitely pink. And this is what it's giving. It's so pretty. Like I said, lace is fire. Like you guys see what it's giving, okay? It's definitely giving natural. It's definitely giving, girl, I had baby hair because I wanted to, not because I had to. And we love that, okay? You guys see like the highlights are like all throughout this unit. That's another thing that I really like about it, because sometimes you get highlighted units, but they put majority of the highlights on the top, and then underneath it's like nothing. But like this unit has like the pink highlights in every single strand and every track. So I really do like that about it. So you definitely get the full, you know, experience. If you're interested in this unit, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, go ahead and drop a comment down below, and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Megalook Hair, for sending over this beautiful pink highlighted Barbie unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.